students. I am your social teacher, MVM School, Yelahanka, Newtown. Children, today's topic is our state Karnataka. Total content only 3: origin of the name, location of Karnataka, and size of Karnataka. Our state Karnataka. Children, India is a republic, secular, democratic and sovereign country. It has a so grace of pride in the world. India has many states and union territories. Karnataka is our state, the land of Kannadigas. It is one of the Indian state. Its greatness, prestige and heritage, land has also ideal situation and blessed with diverse relief features, flora and fauna, different types of soils, river system, minerals also, human resources also, and a prosperous land. Its own literature. So first Kannada work also, Kannada inscription also is there. Halmidi inscription, Kaviraja Marga is the Kannada first work. So that is famous. Art and culture, especially our culture. So we are celebrating Dasara festivals and has religious, spiritual and historically famous pilgrimage center. So many pilgrimage center can attract to other countries people also. Many places in Karnataka. Hampi, Beluru, Halebeedu, many places can attract to people. Famous for their world heritage site also. Hampi also world heritage site and its natural beauty. Kodagu also, Kodagu district especially can attract the people and abundance of wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries also. So this is our Karnataka's famous. Origin of the name. The name of Karnataka has been in use in ancient time also. The land is called Karunadu. Karunadu means the land of black soil. Karunad refers to Karnataka in the ancient Tamil work Shilpadikarma. The land which is elevated plateau. So it is mentioned in Amogavarshan Rupatunga, so famous king of our state. Its grammatical work, the first Kannada work also, Kaviraja Marga. All the details can given to Kaviraja Marga. So Karnataka was extended from Kaveri river up to Godavari river. After independence, India has divided into many states. In 1947, southern district, especially 9 southern district, which were till then under the rule of Mysuru kings. The time Chamaraja Vadiyar, the king, were brought together from the Mysuru state. Next, states were reorganized only linguistic manner. The basic linguistic wise can divide into states. Kannada speaking people, Telugu speaking, Tamil speaking, so can dividing the state only linguistic manner. That's why so all the Kannada speaking people in Bombay, Hyderabad, Madras, anywhere, so provinces were brought together. Thus, on 1st November 1956, the Vishala Mysuru state come into being. Children, today also, so every year we are celebrating November 1st was our Kannada Rajyotsava celebrating. In all the Kannadigas wishes and can give the response to change the name in 1973, Vishala Mysuru state renamed as Karnataka. When was Karnataka name given? 1973 November 1st. So today and present, so our state name is Karnataka. Geographical location. Karnataka is one of the state of India. It is situated in the southern part of India. Then the western central area of the peninsula region. It is extended 11 degree minus 31 north to 18 degree 45 north latitude and 74 degree and 12 east to 78 to 40 east longitude. Its length Bidar to Chamarajanagar. So how many kilometer? 750 kilometer. So 750 kilometer. Our state Bidar to Chamarajanagar. And width. So in Mulbagilu Taluk, Kolara to, and another one Karwar. Karwar in Uttar Kannada district, and western end, whereas Mulbagil Taluk in Kolar district is the eastern end. How many kilometer? 400 kilometer. East to west 400 kilometer. North to south 750 kilometer. Karnataka state have both land and water frontiers too. Arabian Sea in the west, the state of Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana in the east, Tamil Nadu in the south, southeast Kerala in the southwest, and Goa in the northwest from its frontiers. So Karnataka shape, already you see the Karnataka shape resembles a cashew nut. Children, what's the size of Karnataka? We know what's the area of India? 32,87,263 square kilometer. In Karnataka stretches over the area of Karnataka 1,91,791 square kilometer. It is India's 8th largest state with regard to the area. According to census in 2011, 9th position with population. Today also vast people. 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704 in 2011 census. Karnataka occupies 5.83% of India's geographical area. Today, present, how many district is there? Already know that 30 district in our state. The district comprise 176 taluk, 747 hoblis, 347 towns and cities, and 27,481 villages. Belagavi district is the largest. Our Bangalore urban district is the smallest. But children, you remember Bangalore urban smallest, only size, but population wise that's the first place. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. The state has divided into 4 divisions. So administrative purpose only, and the convenience is so easy to administration. The Bangalore, Mysore, Belagavi and Kalburgi. So you can divide into 4 divisions. This is the most important division also. So you can divide into 4 divisions. Next, other physical feature, what's the climatic condition, mineral resources, all the details can give to next lesson. Thank you.